Alexa, turn on bathroom light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on bathroom fan.
Okay.
Alexa, play Amazon Music.
Shuffling songs on Amazon Music.
Alexa, turn up the volume. Alexa, order more moisturizer.
Okay. I placed this item in your Amazon cart.
Alexa, turn the bathroom light to daylight.
Okay.
Alexa, what's the temperature outside?
Right now, it's 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 45 degrees.
Alexa, what's the traffic like on the way to work?
The traffic is heavy.
Gotta go. Alexa, dim bathroom light. Alexa, turn on bathroom nightlight.
Introducing the SmartVent Bath Fan, a new way to make your life simpler from Home NetWerks. The SmartVent Bath Fan goes beyond ventilation with a color-changing dimmable LED light and nightlight, along with Bluetooth speakers to wirelessly stream your favorite music while it quietly removes humidity. And now you can take multitasking to a whole new level with an Alexa voice-enabled assistant built in to help you do more while getting ready for work, for an evening out, or escaping for some me time. Plus, there are 3 ways to use the SmartVent fan. You can speak your commands, control the fan via a mobile app, or use the included multifunction wall switch. With such a variety of interactive Bluetooth and Wi-Fi functions, you'll be amazed at how much you can do before you even leave your bathroom. The SmartVent Bath Fan from Home NetWerks. Simple solutions for a smarter home.